Hey, what's up, guys? Today is my day number 5 doing trading with a real account, in a real market, and especially I am a beginner. I started my journey learning trading 4 months ago. My first day was last Friday, January 10, and I won more than 50% of my account. I didn't even start this thing with my own money. I started this trading journey with money that my broker gave me as a gift because I was opening the account with them. So they gave me $30. The first day I made almost $16. That's 50% plus of profit. Then the day number 2, 3, and 4, I lost. The day number 2 was the biggest losses since the beginning. The day number 3, I put more control in the situation, and the day number 4, I put even more control. And today, day number 5, I made only one trading operation in my real account and 2 operations in my demo account. So I made my analysis. I was watching the graphic, doing my technical analysis, my fundamental analysis, watching the news. Today there was 3 big news in the market. Yesterday there were 2 or 3 news too important. So yesterday the price became bullish, and today the price became bearish. So today basically there was only 3 good points in the graphic today. The first point was a short, okay, a sell. So when I took it in demo account, I put my stop loss higher because I have more money there to risk. So I put my stop loss higher, my take profit lower, and it was a take profit. I won the operation. I won like $22. But the same operation that I did, almost the same, I entered after that. In my real account, I entered the operation just in a Judas swing movement when the news arrived. And it was a candle. I never saw a candle like this one. The candle, I don't know how you say the line, In Spanish we say mecha. This line, it was very long. The line cut the fair value gap, and it was a very dangerous point to enter. And it really was, because I put my stop loss lower because I needed to make the operation very quick. And then the candle just took me out, that's all. And that was a great lesson, because I learned that you need to put very well your stop loss. You can't put a lower stop loss because you don't let the the space for your operation to go and do the take profit, do the great analysis. So it's important to put great amount of stop loss, what you can lose, and make the operation, right? So you let the operation make movements without so much restriction. But as I told you, in my real account, I only have, right now I have $34. So my rule is I only can risk $3 per operation. That's 10% of my capital. It's a lot, all right? The best advice is to risk 1-2% of your account. But that's when you have more money. When you have little money, sometimes the broker don't have, in Spanish we say lotaje. the broker don't have so minimum, let's say, prices to start trading. They have a standard. So in the market that I am trading right now, I'm working with the minimum, right? And that minimum is like risking $3. So that's basically the point, right? So if you wanna risk less, you need to change probably another broker or see another market, whatever. You need to look for your opportunities, right? So basically I did that. It was pretty great. In the real account, I lost the position, but in the demo account I won. And then the great thing about today was that in the morning, my mentor gave a live session doing trading. That was very special because today, as I told you, today is my day number 5 doing trading with real money. So I decided to go with him to the live, and the live helped me a lot because I was looking about all the signals, all the analysis that the mentor was doing, and it helped me to make a better analysis on the stuff that I am doing, right? And one great thing that was that my mentor did a trade position and he didn't lose because he put the break-even positive, but he went on break-even. He went out from break-even, right? And then after that, I realized that it wasn't a good moment to make the operation. And after that, I realized it was a good moment, and I entered that position. It was a long position, buying. And the mentor said to us, hey, if you want to go right now buying, it's a good moment. But in my case, I won't go. And I probably believe that he did that because previously to that, he did an operation. It wasn't the best operation. So after that, he wasn't so sure to make another operation. And it's a very good mentor. It's a guy with years of experience. So I really admire this man because he helped me a lot. So why I'm telling you this? Because imagine a person with so high experience doubting, not knowing when to do the operation. That shows you that pretty much anybody can have the same problem. The thing is to realize that the most important side that you need to work on yourself is the psychology, your mindset. How do you feel? You need to be calm. You need to be patient when you are in front of the computer. If you become nervous, anxious, like, I don't know what's happening, or you start feeling like so much, like say, adrenaline, energy, whatever you want to call it. If you feel like that, you won't be sustainable in the long run. If you want to be sustainable in the long run, you need to be ready to lose. You need to be okay if you lose, but you need to manage very well your risk, right? That's the point. So never let any trader tell you that you need to learn first technical analysis or fundamental analysis, or maybe you need to put $10,000 so you start winning with some trading bot or whatever the bullshit they are telling to you, like copy trading and all of that stuff. So the point here is the first thing you need to work on is your mindset, your psychology. That's the most important thing, because that's the thing that will let you become sustainable and profitable during the time, in the long run. You will be able to be a trader the next 30 years at least. But if you work on your psychology, that's the point. And why I'm telling you this? because today was the special day to see my mentor doubting, not being sure of their operations, because it wasn't a great day for the graphic. No, it wasn't the best day. It was so. Only one good operation in the graphic today. Only one. Could you imagine? There are some days that you can see 6 good operations. But today it wasn't that day. So if my mentor, who has years of experience, wasn't sure of the operations, could you imagine a beginner? Probably he doesn't know what to do. Probably he's like feeling super anxious about the situation. So that's the moment that you need to work on yourself, on your mindset. That's the best work you can do. So to finish this video and to show you, this is a documentation, okay? I am documenting my journey of trading. And if you want to see all the videos explained in Spanish, because it's my mother tongue, you can watch the videos in my channel. They are in Spanish from day one, all of the days. And you can watch, like, I am talking real stuff. I win, I lose, I lose. And that's all. I'm not hiding the losses. I'm only showing the winnings. I'm showing everything. If in this video I'm talking bad, if I say a word that is not the correct word, I don't care. Because this is natural. This is real. This is authentic. This is for the people that really need help doing trading. They really need help in their psychology. And they can see a beginner as them doing the same stuff, starting from scratch. And even making the effort to do the videos in English. And probably after 100 days, I will be speaking very, very well. But now, it doesn't matter if I make mistakes. Because the point is to do the video. Because do you believe that I will do 10 videos for putting the best piece of content and people say, oh yeah, it's a good piece of content? No, I don't care. I want to do natural things. Only one record, and that's all. I made a mistake, doesn't matter. Next time is going to be better. Like trading. If you lose, you lose. Control the lose. That's all. Control your risk. The next time is going to be better. And one day you will start winning. You need to learn to lose, then after you can learn to win. And the most important thing, you need to learn to save the cents, the dimes. Because if you save the cents, the millions will save themselves. That's one of the best advices that a person gave me when I was a kid. Alright? So, guys, today was an incredible day. I lost one operation in real account. I won 2 operations in demo account. I'm controlling better my emotions. I'm controlling my operations. I only do 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, or maybe 6, but I do 3, or maybe 2 on real account and 4 on demo. It depends the day. But I control the number of operations, because the best trader is not the one who operates more. The best trader is the one who operates better. Right? Remember that all the time. So today is the day number 5. I didn't make the videos of day number 1, 2, 3, and 4 the same day, because when I started this documentation and this project, I was doing it only in Spanish, but now I decided to do it in English as well. So I will do the videos the same day, starting from today, day number 5. The day number 1 was January 10th. It was Friday, the last Friday. But I will make the videos from day 1 to 4 during these days, so you can watch those videos. But I will transmit the message that I put in my videos in Spanish. So if you want to watch the authentic video from the exact moment, from the exact day, you need to go and watch them in Spanish. If you know to speak Spanish, right? If you don't know, doesn't matter, keep calm. I will start doing videos from today. So you will start watching the videos from day number 5 until the day we are going to see until when, right? But you can watch the videos from day number 5. And I will do the first 4 videos so you can watch them as well and see a little bit about the perspective and see what I did and how I did it and what happened in the situation. Alright? So pretty happy to be here. And one thing, last thing for this video is that yesterday I put a second position in short, so I was selling. It was a trading day position, because if it was a scalping position, I would won yesterday, right? But I decided to put my take profit more down, right? So I was looking for more winning. It was my demo account, so I can risk more money, right? I left the operation open during the night because I learned about the swap. The swap is a commission you need to pay to your broker to let the operation open until the next day. So I learned about the swap, I learned about letting an operation open during the night, and I learned all of that with my demo account. That's the key here. You don't need to burn your money to learn. You can learn with demo account, but you need to do it as real that it was with money. The same attitude. You need to be serious, man. If you take like a joke the demo account, you will burn money. You will lose. But if you are here, you are born to win. You are not born to lose. So if you are born to win, you need to take seriously your demo account and make the right moves. So when you're sure, you can go to the real account. And the point from yesterday was that if I led that operation with a bigger stop loss, today I would be winning this operation because the graphic was bearish. And that was my point yesterday. I knew it would become bearish, but my stop loss was less and they took me out from the operation. But it's a great lesson. I learned a lot and I only risked 0.5% of my capital. That means $52. And that's great because it's a good amount. I am able to risk 1-2% of my account. That means $100 to $200. If yesterday I put it my stop loss in $100, right now I will be winning. Okay? So it's a great lesson for the long run. We keep doing this every single day with all the effort, putting work in the mindset, on the emotions, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, everything that I can. And as I'm telling you, I'm a beginner. I'm learning. I'm listening to everybody that can bring some great piece of advice to the table. And trust me, you need to learn to listen. Because if I'm here 4 months ago, I knew anything about trading. Nothing, zero. I was totally new. The first day that I started with trading was September 10, 2024. And the first day doing trading with real money was January 10, the last Friday. So guys, if I can do it in 4 months, yeah, I put my effort. I studied a lot. I read 2 books probably, yeah. I really put it in the effort. I could put it more, yeah. I'm conscious about that, but I put in a lot of effort. The thing is, the best thing that helped me to get here was being able to listen to people. They give you a message, they give you something, learn to listen, analyze, be better, don't react, keep calm, patient, and you will do it. Listening to people is one of the best things you can do. And put in the effort. Work on your psychology, your emotions, your mindset. See you tomorrow with the day number 6 of trading. Happy to be here. Let's go! Hey, what's up, guys? Today is my number 5 day doing trading, January 16, 2025. So I want to explain very quickly the graphic, what happened today. So the best moment to make a trading operation was in this point. I made today one trading operation in my real account. We can see it here. I'm gonna show you. Give me 2 seconds. So this is my personal account. So here I made the operation just here. I lost because I didn't put the risk in the right place. But the lesson cost me $1.32, and it was a great learning, right? So the thing is that I needed to put my stop loss higher so I would get all this short and all this profit if I would do it well. So it's a great lesson for the next day, for the future. So I learned how to put my stop loss in the right place, and I will win a lot of money if I do it well. Because if you can see, the graphic is very bearish, so it was a very great trade. So today in my real account, as you can see, I only made one operation. I am in profit 4.18, and I keep my bonus. This is something that the broker gave me as a gift, and I am positive in $34.18. So that means that basically I'm doing trading without my own money. I'm using the money that the broker gave me, and I am doing well. I'm making wins. The first day I made more than 50% of wins from my account. That means that they gave me $30 and I made almost $16 of profit. The next day, today we are in the day number 5. Yesterday I didn't make any operation, and the day number 2 and 3 I lost money. The day number 2 was the biggest losses until today. The day number 3 I made a better control of myself, my emotions, so it was a risk managed. And yesterday I didn't make operations because I didn't see a good point. And today it was only one operation I lose. And as I told you, the problem was that I didn't put the stop loss in the right place, because it would be a great trade. So it doesn't matter. It's a great lesson that I learned for $132. And I'm pretty sure that in the future, I will make a great operation, and I will recover all of that and start winning again. As you can see, today is 16 January, and we can I want to show you too I want to show you the demo account, because I made the same operation in demo, not in the same exact moment as in the real account. It was before, just in this point. Give me 2 seconds, I will show you. It was in this point where I entered the operation. So my stop loss was just here, and that's because it's a demo account, so I have more money to risk, right? So the right amount of risk is 1-2% of your account. So that means I have $10,000, and risking $100-200, it's no big deal because it's according to the capital. In my real account, I only have $30. That's why losing $3, it means like 10% of the account. It's more risk, but it's the only way because you have little money. When you have more money, you can take more risks. So the great point is that I enter here, I put my stop loss here, it didn't come the graphic to here, Judas swing came here because we can see here the news. Today was a great day for the news. It's Thursday, you can see here 16, and we have 3 news at 9:30, 3 news very important about employment in the US, the retail sales, core retail sales, important things that influence the economics in the US. And we have 2 more news, but they are not so important. The red ones are the big ones. So those, as you can see in the graphic, those news came just here. That's why it's important, the fundamental and technical analysis when you are doing trading, because I just watched this point, I entered this point, but you can see this, this candle is very long. So this candle was the point that I get out in my real account. But in the demo account, I have a better stop loss. So it was a great point, and I made profit until here. This was, all of this was my winning and my profit. I mean, all of this, right? So after that, I couldn't make it until here, right? But after that, I see this new point here, as you can see, and I enter here a long position, and then I closed just here. It was super great because you can see the candle just arrived here, and if I couldn't close there, I would need to wait all of this, maybe here it would be closing, right? But I do it an scalping trading operation, so I made money here very quick because this was my signal, and it was pretty great. Here I make a second winning in my demo account. So today I only made 2 operations in my demo account. As you can see, always I show you transparency. You can see January 16, only 2 operations. I have here the 2 take profits. The first one gave me $22 and the second one $5. Right now I am in negative, because I am in $9,957, right? But that's because, yesterday I made an operation, I lost $52. Yeah, it seems a lot, but as I told you, I have 10,000 that gave me as a demo account. So the best strategy is to risk 1-2% of your account. So that means I can risk $100 or $200 per operation trading. So $52 is not big deal. It's 0.5%. So it was a good risk management. But the point here is not that I lose the money. It was the biggest lesson, because in demo account I learned the concept of swap. Swap means the commission that the broker asks you to pay because you are keeping the operation to the next day, right? So it's a quick amount of money you need to pay, so your operation will still open until the next day. So if I put, let's say, my stop loss bigger, let's say $100 instead of $52, it would be so fucking great, because this move it was down, and this position yesterday was a sell, you know, it was a short, as you can see. So if my stop loss would be higher, today the position would come here and I would be winning this too. But it's a great lesson for the next one. Today is only the day number 5, and I will keep doing this and will keep learning those lessons. People see the losses like they got frustrated because they are losing money, but you need to change that mindset because these are lessons you are learning. This is the price of your lesson. $52 to learn what is the swap, what is the the feeling of having the operation open all the day until the next day. That's the lesson I learned. So it doesn't matter the lose because I have the lesson in my pocket for the next time. And one day I will start winning with these things. So you need to keep the right mindset, and you need to keep the positive attitude when you're doing trading and stop the frustration or the FOMO or whatever is blocking you from making good profit and doing great things. So as you can see, is today 16 January, day number 5, my man. I'm doing this live, I'm showing you the things live so you can see my documentation, real thing, not BS, real trading, real market, real money, and demo account at the same time, so I can learn how to lose in demo and how to lose in real account. And at the same time, I will learn how to win. That's the point. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, you learned something, and see you in the next one tomorrow. With all the attitude, we are going to kick asses, and it doesn't matter if I lose. I will learn some lessons, but I will keep in the field, doing my thing, putting my best effort, and crushing it. See you guys.